In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Perplexity Sonar API key in just 5 minutes. This process is simple and straightforward, and by following these steps, you'll have your key ready in no time. First things first, you'll want to open Perplexity AI. This is the platform where you'll be managing your API keys, so make sure you're at the official site to avoid any security issues. Now that you're on the main page, go ahead and log into your Perplexity account. If you haven't done this before, you'll need your account credentials ready. Logging in ensures that you have access to all the features available, including API management. Once you're logged in, take a look in the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you should see your profile icon. Click on it to open a menu with a variety of options. This is where you can manage many aspects of your account, but for our purpose, you'll want to focus on the option labeled API. Select that and it will take you to another part of the site specifically dedicated to APIs. Now that you're in the API section, you should see a tab or a link that says API Keys. Click on that. This is where all the magic happens, where you'll generate the key you'll be needing. When you open this section, you'll likely see a button that says Accept Terms and Generate API Key. Make sure to read any terms carefully. It's always a good idea to understand the permissions and responsibilities involved. Once you're comfortable, click on that button. The next step is to enter a name for your API key. This is just to help you identify it easily later on, especially if you plan on creating more keys in the future. Choose a name that makes sense for what you'll be using the key for and enter it into the designated field. Now, click on the Create Key button. This will finalize the process and generate your API key. You'll see a string of characters. This is your unique key. An important tip, make sure to copy your generated key right away. API keys may not be displayed again for security reasons, so it's vital to store it somewhere safe as soon as it's generated. And there you have it. With these steps completed, you have successfully generated a Perplexity Sonar API key. Feel free to use it for your applications or integrations, keeping in mind to handle it securely and never share it publicly. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.